This BVMAG Ultra High Frequency Stubby Antenna Pack is ideal for users who want a compact replacement for their Motorola handheld radios without sacrificing everyday performance. The antennas cover a wide ultra-high frequency range around 403 to 470 MHz, which suits most common commercial and recreational two-way radio channels. Each antenna is very short at about 3½ inches, making the radios far less likely to snag on clothing or gear during active use. The 10-piece bundle is convenient for outfitting a whole team, keeping spares on hand, or standardizing antennas across mixed Motorola models. Compatibility with many popular Motorola series, including HT, CP, PR, EX, GP, and MTX families, makes this set especially useful for organizations with varied radio fleets. Build quality feels solid for frequent field use, and the seller appears responsive if any questions or issues come up with installation or performance.